For a Dubai fabric factory, the license is the cheap part. The factory, power, and compliance traps drain your capital. Get these right before application day and save months of time. I am presenting this for Best Solution. We have formed over 5,000 companies across the United Arab Emirates. Fabric manufacturing in Dubai is a highly viable opportunity. You must be export-minded and properly capitalized to succeed. This map illustrates a substantial global export advantage. The United Arab Emirates exports textile products to more than 50 markets worldwide. Around 170 garment and cloth manufacturers already operate here. Regional buyers increasingly prefer products made in the United Arab Emirates. They demand shorter lead times. Technical textiles, uniforms, sportswear, and eco-friendly fabrics lead the market demand. This scale illustrates the new tax reality. Older guides still claim zero income tax. Profits above 375,000 dirhams now face 9% corporate tax. You must budget for this, and 5% value-added tax from day one. Physical manufacturing requires immense capital and exact tax planning. Focusing solely on fast paperwork guarantees serious financial failure later. This decision tree demonstrates the textile business is not a single activity. It encompasses several paths. Decide your specific model before initiating paperwork. A retail or wholesale fabric business needs a commercial trading license. Fabric or garment manufacturing requires an industrial license instead. Operational differences dictate your exact license category. Textile trading covers raw fabric and yarn. Garments trading covers finished clothing. Never copy a competitor activity description blindly. Manufacturing approvals are far less forgiving than trading licenses. Your description must reflect your exact physical process. Your jurisdiction dictates ownership limits, market access, and customs treatment. Choose your location based on where your buyers live. Do not choose based on a generic prestige ranking. This tollgate highlights the Mainland trade-off. A Mainland setup allows direct sales across the United Arab Emirates. The cost is a 5% upfront customs duty on all imported raw materials. Industrial free zones allow 100% foreign ownership and full profit repatriation. You pay 0% duty on raw materials imported for processing and export. Duties only apply if finished goods enter the Mainland. Match the free zone to your specific operation. Jebel Ali Free Zone Authority is built for export logistics. Dubai Industrial City caters to large-scale production. Ras Al Khaimah Economic Zone suits smaller budgets. These power meters reveal massive utility cost differences between zones. Land in logistics zones carries higher power and water tariffs. For a large dyeing unit, the power difference can exceed 50,000 dirhams a year. Dubai Textile City offers a specialized ecosystem for this industry. You must secure approval from the Textile Merchants Group before you can complete licensing there. Locating inside a textile hub does not solve regulatory challenges. Physical facility suitability matters more than a prestigious address. The wrong building causes immense delays and significant cost overruns. Choosing a jurisdiction is a strict mathematical calculation. You must weigh customs duties, utility tariffs, and physical infrastructure. It is never a marketing decision. We execute an 8-step legal process to build your manufacturing presence. Step 1 is confirming your precise industrial activity. You must specify operations like yarn production or fabric dyeing exactly. Step 2 is picking your legal structure. You will choose a limited liability company for mainland trade. You will choose a free zone company for full foreign ownership in a free zone. Step 3 is reserving a trade name. It must be unique, non-offensive, and reflective of your activity. Approval takes 1 to 2 business days. Step 4 secures initial approval. We submit your passports, business plan, and a landlord no objection certificate. This review usually takes 2 to 3 business days. This blueprint highlights the necessity of a compliant physical premise. Step 5 requires leasing within a recognized industrial zone. Your building must meet strict standards before it qualifies. Step 6 clears audits with the Ministry and Civil Defense. You must submit detailed engineering drawings. Simple floor plans will be rejected. You must show machinery placement, ventilation, and fire safety routes. Step 7 is applying for the final industrial license. You submit this with all prior clearances. The fee runs between 12,000 and 25,000 dirhams. Step 8 initiates operations. You open a corporate bank account and register with Dubai Customs. Then you import your machinery and raw materials. These 8 legal steps only open the door. They mean nothing if you fail to execute the Physical Capital Project properly. Most guides quote the license fee and stop there. A fabric factory is a major capital project. The physical factory dictates the entire budget. This chart illustrates the true scale of construction costs. A small textile unit starts around 250,000 dirhams. Mid-size facilities range up to 3 million dirhams or more. Compared to capital expenditures, the license fee is a rounding error. Treating licensing as your primary expense is a dangerous financial miscalculation. For a service company, the license is the finish line. For a manufacturer, it is merely the entry point. 3 specialized hurdles frequently stall self-managed projects. The first hurdle is ministry technical drawings. The ministry reviews detailed engineering layouts. Documentation problems are common here. Significant revisions can add 4 to 8 weeks of costly delay. The second hurdle is product certification testing. Finished fabric must meet Emirates Authority for Standardization and Metrology standards. Children and protective wear face strict testing under the Emirates Conformity Assessment Scheme. The third hurdle involves strict industrial utility requirements. Manufacturing needs industrial-grade power and water. If you dye fabric, you absolutely cannot discharge treated wastewater into general sewage. Dubai Municipality enforces zero tolerance on wastewater. You need a specialized wastewater discharge permit. Securing this permit can take much longer than the factory license itself. Your facility size directly limits your workforce. Industrial labor visas are tied strictly to your workspace area. You need roughly 9 square meters per factory employee. The most expensive mistake is buying heavy machinery early. Founders commit capital before confirming facility power loads and environmental rules. They pay heavily to retrofit the building later. A generic warehouse is not automatically a functional factory. Confirm your power and water allocation first. Sign your lease late in the process once all requirements are completely clear. Committing capital to leases or machinery before executing technical audits is dangerous. It guarantees irreversible financial loss and months of operational delay. Consider this real-world example. A new textile manufacturer needed mandatory product certification for a final fabric line. Best Solution pre-audited the product labeling. We are your trusted company formation specialist since 2003. We consolidated the technical file early. The client avoided a projected 6-week delay. Entrepreneurs frequently ask about full foreign ownership. Yes, a foreigner can own a fabric manufacturing company entirely. Free zones permit this, and most mainland industrial activities now do too. Confirm your specific strategic activity first. Founders also ask about true timelines. The formal license takes 1 to 2 weeks once documents are complete. However, parallel premise reviews and product testing add 1 to 8 weeks. This checklist covers 3 essential takeaways to secure your facility. Takeaway 1. Decide your exact business model before you apply. Takeaway 2. Validate the regulatory path before committing capital. Takeaway 3. Clear the specialized testing hurdles first. Best Solution operates with a dedicated team of more than 50 specialists. We offer a completely free consultation to map your exact business plan. Walk into our Business Bay office in Dubai for a face-to-face session. Let our experts build your personalized roadmap. Visit bestsolution.ae to secure your free consultation today. Generic advice leads directly to costly facility errors. Expert personalized guidance remains the only safe path forward. Do not let the wrong decision cost you more time and money later.